5 new SEO mentors to replace old inefficient thinking. In SEO, we are now tasked with building brand, growing communities, enhancing audience, and influencing our creative and analytic muscles. We play integral roles in the growth of business. Our
5003.
Our thinking should match these new responsibilities. Let's make a pact as an industry to do away with the old ways of thinking that have absolutely no place in what we do anymore. Our industry has truly grown up. There are more effective and sustainable ways to ensure long-term success for our clients. SEO has changed and evolved definitely for the better. It's a very enjoyable time to be working in the industry, as we are now tasked with building brands, growing communities, enhancing audience, and flexing our creative and analytical muscles. We play integral roles in the growth of businesses. Our thinking should match the new responsibilities that have come our way. Here are 5 new mentors to replace old and inefficient ways of thinking that have permeated across our industry. It's time to change our thinking from being all about to being all about the customer's long-term. SEO success is and has always been all about providing value. Going viral is not a very realistic goal. If that's the only way to think about the type of content to produce, only about 0.01% of content put out is considered viral. It is not a tactic that can be relied upon or scientifically generated. While there is certainly considerable value in receiving a lot of shares and building brand awareness, like American Greetings did with their videos for words. First job, it takes some creative thinking and a little bit of luck. If it's a large number of shares you are after, then you need to employ a different mindset. Think instead how you can provide the most helpful and valuable content. After all, if you give people something they really need or enjoy, you can bet they will want to share it. You can increase your odds of share worthiness by taking the time to research the consumer's purchases path, understand the thoughts process throughout, and seek ways you can add a lot of value, either by being helpful or being entertaining at a key step in the process. Segments your effort down to relevant persons, and the content will experience a much better success rates, as you will be speaking with a more engaged pool of relevant audience.